Hello friends, so we are making dal tadka today. So for that I have taken 2 cups of dal. It is 2 dal, and now we will wash it with water. I am washing it 3 times. Now you can see water is clear now, so that means dal is washed. And now we will put it aside and soak it in water for 2-3 hours, or you can soak it for 1 hour as well. It depends. If you have more time you can soak it more, and if you have less time just soak it for an hour or half. So now you can see our dal is perfectly soaked now. Yeah. So what we will do, we will put it in the pressure cooker. And add 2 more cups of water. Now we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder for seasoning and flavoring, and approx 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we will put the lid of pressure cooker on and boil it at high flame until 2 whistles, and then for 15 minutes on slow flame. So now you can see our dal is boiled now. So we will fry our dal now. So I have taken chopped garlic and ginger here, chopped onion, 2-3 red chilies, chopped coriander and chopped tomato. And in spices I have taken cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, asafoetida, that is hing, curry leaves. I have taken dried. If you have fresh one you can take fresh one as well. And here I have taken some dried leaves of fenugreek, that is methi. We call it kasuri methi as well. So let's start frying now. So now we will put our pan on the hob. I am taking 2 spoons of olive oil, and if you prefer ghee or any other oil you can add that one as well. I mean you can take other oil rather than taking olive oil, but I prefer olive oil, so that's why I'm taking olive oil. So I can see that oil is hot now. So I will add almost 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. Now they are popping up very nicely. Now I will add red chilies and chopped ginger and garlic seeds. Now you can see it's golden brown now. So add chopped onion at this stage. So generally we add more oil, at least 4 tablespoon oil to this dal, but I prefer less oily food, so that's why I added only 2 tablespoon of oil. And at this stage I will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add some curry leaves. Wow, my kitchen is super aromatic now. Now we will add chopped tomatoes. And I have taken this tomato puree, which I am going to add in this one. How good it is. And let it boil for few minutes. And you can see it's boiling now. So add our dal very carefully to the mixture. Give it a good boil. And in the meantime, you need to take this type of a spoon. I have taken this type of a spoon and let it heat a little bit so that we can do some smoke frying just to garnish the dal. Wow, what a good flavor. I'm adding half teaspoon of deshi ghee to my steel spoon, big one, or we can say it spatula, steel spatula. And here you can see our dal tadka is boiling, so it is ready. We will switch off the hob and take it out in a bowl. Now our deshi ghee is hot now, so we will add few seeds of cumin and a little bit of asafoetida, that is hing, to this. And a dried red chili just to garnish it. A small amount of red chili powder. And dried leaves of fenugreek, kasuri methi. This kasuri methi gives a very good flavor to our dal tadka. It's a secret. And now you can see this tadka is ready, and now we will pour it on our dal. And finally we will add chopped coriander to our dal tadka. And now our dal tadka is ready.